Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Using this our Dev task timer log, calculate duration of the task and create timesheet entry for it. So let's see about that how to work it. You can see here our module Dev task timer log. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to projects, go to task, create new. I create task for timesheet, add project internal and add. Now go to this task and see here this button start task. Click on, see here display allocate time. Now click on this end task. So see here your start date and duration, end date in duration. Click on end task. Now go to timesheet and see here entry of this task. Project is internal, date today's and task is task for timesheet. Description is done. Thank you.